If you want to set a photo as a wallpaper on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, you can, for example, open Gallery on your phone. There we go. Then we should be able to select the photo that we wish to set as a wallpaper. And in here, you want to tap on the three dots that we have in the bottom right corner, and then we have set as wallpaper. So we're gonna use this option. Then you can decide if you want to apply it to the lock screen, home screen, or both of these screens. So I'm gonna choose for both. We can still adjust the wallpaper if you want to, so we can zoom in and zoom out. We can use two fingers in order to move the wallpaper around. Of course, we can use the depth effect if possible. We can also apply effect on the lock screen. We can swipe to the home screen in order to, for example, apply the blur, or you can just choose a different photo or different wallpaper in general. And once you are done with the setup, just tap on apply in the upper right corner, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.